Let's take a look at how hard it is to update your runtime in Upsun. If we take a quick look here, I'm going to pop over onto the screen here, and we can see that I am in my development branch, but let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening inside that branch. So we're now, there we can go. Let's look at what version. We have clearly here version 18.19.1 of Node.js. We're gonna hop out of there. And then here's the really hard part about doing this. We're gonna come up to the config YAML file for Upsun, and we're gonna delete this 18 here. And we're gonna type 20, perfect. I'm gonna save that real quick. Then we just got to come down to our terminal again, hit git add, git commit, and we're going to call this node 20. Great naming conventions here. And then last but not least, hit there and let's send it all up. Yes, I want it to go to dev 1. We're going to put that up there. And now basically Upsun is taking those changes and building this out with Node.js as we speak. And I'll drink some coffee. There we go. Build process is done. So let's check out. We'll hop right back in. We're still in that same branch. We can just really quickly node. We are now node version 20, most recent release.